I hope you have enjoyed the great chili roasting festival. We roasted Mamma Mia Rosso, which is a roasting pepper, and red chilies and green chilies. There's a little confusion about whether a couple of the things that were in the red chilies might actually be Godfather peppers, which are not chilies. Because when roasted, they came out a different color. These are definitively chilies, Henry says. And that's the other one. It doesn't smell like chili to me. Whereas that one does. So, I don't know. I don't know whether it's the extent of roastiness, ripeness. I don't know. But we roasted them, and Henry really, really does like the Mamma Mia Rossos, and that was the point. I grew those specifically for him because he really loves roasted peppers, which you then soak in olive oil and have as a treat. So that was a success. I'm not thrilled with the productivity of those particular plants. I'll do a little research and see if maybe something else will make it work better. We'll see. But that's what we did today. I have gooey fingers and I'm going to wash my hands. And then I'm going to figure out what we're going to do with all these yellow squash. No, those are yellow golden zucchinis, patty pans, green beans, yellow beans, and purple beans. Because I cleaned them all out of the refrigerator. I used up several of the cucumbers to make Henry a dill salad. But I still have too much stuff in the fridge. So we'll have to fix that. So until next time, be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because obviously we're going to be doing a ton more. This was something we've been looking forward to for quite a while, and today we did it. So, yeah. So until next time, bye.